before. It's been too long now. I think that I'm on. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah.
Pwede po kayo ma-interview? About po, ano po masasabi niyo dito sa kapaligiran? Ngayon sa awitan kung saan, nakikita natin kung saan pinapatubo nila ang mangrove.
Awitan?
Ano ba to? Basit?
Hindi.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Nicolas kung saan natin makikita ang mga mangrove. Kung saan pinapatubo nila at pinapalaki upang itanim sa gilid ng dagat o para makaiwas sa baha.